Hey, what's going on? In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your Skullcandy Sesh wireless earbuds, these guys right here, and connect them to an iPhone. And this is the iPhone 11. It should work the same for iOS 12, 13, and 14. They should pair up for as long as you have a functioning Bluetooth setting on your phone. All right, so let's get started. Before you do anything with your phone, the most important thing here is to get your Skullcandy Sesh wireless earbuds into pairing mode. So first, if you just so happen to take them out of the case like this, let's just say you took them out the case like that, and there is going to be a lot of flashing lights going on here, all right? And you're searching on your phone, it's not showing up. So here's what you can do, and here's what I would usually do. So first, I'm going to go ahead and force them to shut down by holding down the two physical buttons here and hold it down until they flash in red once. So long press until this, all right? So they both flash in red once. That means they're currently off, and now they are ready to be turned on. And before you just simply press the button one time, you take them again together at the same time, these two physical buttons here. You're going to hold them down for about 2 seconds. You'll see it flash in blue. Both of them are going to flash in blue one time. So just pay attention to that. So I'll long press it now for 2 seconds. So 1, 2. All right, and just let it go like that. And if you put them into your ears, you will hear the prompt sound. And just wait for the left side to enter into pairing mode, okay? And to know if it's in pairing mode, it would be the blue-red flashing light. So give that a few seconds. Usually this takes a couple of seconds to initiate. I don't know why the Sesh is just so completely difficult to connect, okay? So just wait for that. And if it doesn't, then you just run the process again. But anyhow, as you get to here, right there, you can see here, it's now flashing red and blue. And that's the pairing mode that we all need to get this thing connected. So yes, this is going to take very long, but that's just how they made it. I don't know why they made it so difficult, but it is what it is. So now you go into the settings of your iPhone, and let's just say you're here, right? And you're in the settings, and you'll see the Bluetooth section. Okay, so I just come out of it just so you can see where to go, right? So your settings, then you go to Bluetooth, and then you will turn on the Bluetooth settings. And like every other iPhone, as you turn it on, it's going to start searching. You will see Sesh show up here. Just tap on that one time, and it will show you that it's connected. And now to test it out to see if it actually will play the audio. So I'll go into YouTube, and I'm going to play a song here. And I'm going to bring up the volume so you can actually hear it for yourself, all right? So in some cases, the left side might be the only one that pairs up. And let me just test them out with you right now. So this is the left side, and this is the right side. So I'll put the left side to the mic. And then this is the right side. All right, so that means they are both fully connected. And if not, let's just say you're one of those unfortunate ones that tried to pair both of them and it didn't work, but you got the left side to connect. Pay attention to the right earbud, as it may still be flashing in blue. If it's still flashing in blue, what you're gonna do is put the right earbud in your ear, of course your right ear, and hold down the button until you hear a toot sound. It's gonna be like a toot sound. And once you hear that, quickly let it go, and it's going to sync with the other one, and then allowing you to have both of them working. All right, so that's just how it works for me. I hope it works for you. And do hit that like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new to my channel. And of course, thanks for watching.